Alright, so getting pretty frozen now. I blocked off airflow past the compressor because it was thawing it out. That's nicely frozen. It's even freezing the trolley underneath it. I threw an old tin can in there as a test and that's not going anywhere. Still a bit of water in the condensate tray though. That's a nice cube. Well, it's still running. It's freezing the trolley that it's sitting on, but it's running. That's really cold. These compressors are a horizontally opposed two-cylinder, like a flat two, a boxer compressor, essentially. And it's still going. Well, this thing's been running a good 24 hours now. The compressor hasn't changed its sound or anything. Good half-inch of ice. Starting to warm up now, so it'll start thawing some of it out. Now this would crack a coil if I threw it into heat, so I'm not going to do that. I want to recover this R22 because it's still good. There's 1 kilo of it in there, so I'll get it recovered professionally and use it for something else. Which is off now. You can hear the check valves floating around as the gas comes back through. You've still got high pressure in this side. The suction side's still low. Yeah, it's a good half-inch. I see. It's been sitting about an hour or so out in the sun. Starting to thaw out. This will take a while.